краще, ніж було раніше.
So the family that came to Israel, it was the family from Ukraine. They brought their daughter, Nastya, that she was 7 years old with the cancer, to take all the treatments in Israel. And she came with her mother, her grandmother, and two kids of the mother's sister. And these two boys, they came here to Israel because of the war in Ukraine.